As you know, Trinidad and Tobago is called Airi, land of the hummingbird, because Trinidad was named by the Amerindians, who were the first people of this country. And to that Amerindian, the hummingbird is a sacred creature. They see the hummingbirds as the souls of the dead ancestors or the spirits of the dead ancestors. And we believe they gave the name Airi to Trinidad as a way of acknowledging the importance of hummingbirds in their lives. And so we wanted to build something on that. So we went back to the Amerindians and we found another word, which is Yerette. And Yerette also means hummingbird. And then we decided to call here Yerette the home of the hummingbird. They are the smallest birds in the world. In fact, the smallest bird in the world is a hummingbird. That's one you're going to find in Cuba. And here in Trinidad and Tobago, we've got the second smallest bird in the world, one we call the tufted cricket. So they're very small birds, very distinct because of their ability, the agility in the air. No other bird can handle the air the way a hummingbird can. They can literally fly in any direction, forward, backwards, upside down, absolutely vertical. And over and above all of that, they can hover, the only bird that can hover. That is, in other words, they can remain standstill in the air. Just as the way you will stand with your feet solidly planted on terra firma, the earth, they have the ability to remain totally standstill in the air. Oh, hummingbirds are a very energizing force in my life. You look at them and you see the energy, you see the speed of their movement, you look at their behaviors, look at their combativeness, and somehow it brings me alive. It brings me close to nature. It tells me that something wonderful is happening in nature, and it tells me that all of us as human beings have the ability to be connected to nature. So hummingbird to me is like a blessing, and I can't stop being around them. You listen to the humming of the wings, and and it has a way of softening you internally and bringing out the best in you. And I don't think it's only me. I think for many of our visitors who come here, I see a similar effect. So hummingbirds are, I would say, very special to me at this stage of my life.